Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. How you doing? Hey, I have made a few discoveries in my Crazy Quilt journey. I'm looking at this thinking journal. Yeah, I'm going to put this away now. Journey. I'm on a journey. A Crazy Quilt journey, okay? When I started crazy quilting, it was all about the fabrics. I did not know how to embroider. So it was about what I could do with my machine. Well, I have evolved. And recently, I have come to appreciate something. And that is, if you want a richer looking crazy quilt block, you must use the same, how do I say this, the same tones, darker fabrics, medium to dark. When I first started this series, I told you to use light, medium, and dark. That's fine. But if you want a richer looking block, okay, I'm going to show you some examples. We have light, mediums, and darkish. To me, this just looks crafty. It doesn't look rich. Now, maybe it would look rich once I embroidered it, but I'm thinking it would more look like it should go in the wackadoodle quilt. Okay, now this is another example. This is not rich looking, although it is certainly beautiful and interesting looking. I still need to do these seams. But is it rich looking? No, it is not rich looking. Is there anything wrong with it? Absolutely not. As a matter of fact, it's going in the wackadoodle quilt, just as it is, after I finish this. So you're saying, what's rich looking? Well, to me, this is rich looking. This is really dark. This is dark. These are mediums. They're not really light, but that looks very rich to me, and I would love to have a green quilt in those colors, and I would not put this green with it. Okay? This is rich looking because it's all the same tones. It's burgundy, and there's some contrast, but they're close enough to be rich looking. I hope this is making sense. These are ties, and I don't know why, but that is rich looking to me. Just because of the color saturation. Now, this is a little bit light, but it doesn't bother me. So I made, these are from my purple bundles. And to me, they are rich looking because they're so dark. And I don't know, Now, this is my preferred, my taste. Doesn't have to be your taste. But I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to get you to like undo everything you've done if you're using the light, medium, dark formula. But if you do another crazy quilt, would you consider keeping your colors closer? And it works with light colored too, because my daughter's quilt, these are the fabrics in it. This is one I did ages ago. You can tell because of the machine stitching on it. But to me, that looks rich because, yes, they're light, but they're all light. This is the darkest, or this gold. So it goes either way. Keep them all, just try it, just try it. Keep them all light, or keep them all dark, or keep them all mid-toned, and see what you can come up with. So anyway, I hope you understand. And I hope you're not mad at me for changing horses in midstream. But look at my rich looking crazy quilt blocks. And I'll let you know more later. I'm trying, I had a request. Somebody wants to see a crazy quilt finished. I'm trying to get some blocks done so we can finish something. But it's so slow going because who has the time? Not me. Not me. So let's just hope that soon I can get something done so we can finish a quilt. And yeah, so I'm stalling. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you for Mixed Media Monday.